What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. So in this one, we're not going to be doing anything on the Golf. This video is sort of an announcement video that I mentioned in the last video was going to be happening this week. If you don't know what I'm talking about, get yourself in the description. There's a link to episode 1 of this Golf series. Get yourself back there, watch it all, get yourself up to speed so you know what we're talking about. So the announcement then. This announcement is something that has been bubbling away for a few weeks now and is very exciting for me, the channel, and hopefully you guys are equally excited about it as well. So I'm not going to waffle on too much. Let's reveal what it is. Oh, hi. Oh yeah, so that's it. I'm working with Heritage Parts Centre on the Golf project and on the channel now, which is absolutely unbelievable. Yeah, blown away to even get a reply to the email that I sent over, because I imagine these big companies get a lot of emails and messages and things, so I'm super grateful for that. And then a couple of days later, I actually had a message from one of the guys that worked there saying he'd seen the channel, loved it, loved the Golf, thought it was a great idea, wanted to know if I'd be interested in collaborating with Heritage as well. So I contacted them and was already working with them, and yeah, I'd got contacted by them myself anyway. So yeah, absolutely blown away with it. So who are Heritage? Heritage Parts Centre are a classic Volkswagen and Porsche parts specialist based in West Sussex. The Heritage team are passionate about what they do, from sourcing the best quality products to the expertise and advice they offer on the phone and online. Heritage Parts Centre is run by enthusiasts for enthusiasts. Visit heritagepartscentre.com, where using the code CHAMBERS at the checkout will get you 10% off your order. So what's Heritage's role in it going to be? So Heritage are going to be supplying me with parts for the rebuild of the car. I've got a load of panels on the floor, a bit on the car as well, which I'll go around and show you now what we've got. So we've got a stack of panels on the floor here. Some of the bits are out of stock, so I am waiting for wings, another inner and outer arch repair, and a couple of other bits as well. But we've got 2 new floor pans, front valance, another floor pan, inner sill, outer sill, rear valance, inner arch repair, outer arch repair. So lower corners as well, which I'm probably not going to need because I've got these. I didn't realise how big this repair panel was. Chassis leg repairs, and then the spare wheel tub. And then up on the car, we've got this scuttle repair panel, because this is shot all the way along. Only problem with this one is it's a left-hand drive, but all I have to do is weld these holes up and drill 2 new ones, which we can use the car for as a reference point. So yeah, I'm speechless, to be honest. It's a massive thing for me personally, and a huge thing for the channel as well. Hopefully it's only going to help to grow the channel as well. So then a big thank you to the guys for working with me on the project, and also a massive thank you for giving the code for you guys to give something back to you guys and save yourselves a little bit of money on your parts that you're buying from them. Absolutely amazing, blown away with it. Hopefully you guys are as excited as I am about it. It's only a good thing. So I've got a nice stack of parts, more parts coming. I've got a load of steel turning up to start bracing the inside of the car. So hopefully in the next video, we're going to start making some sparks and then start trying to weld bits into the car. So then guys, we'll leave that one there. Thank you ever so much for watching. I know I say it in all my videos, but without you guys, this channel and me would be absolutely nothing. So thank you all so much. This sort of arrangement is proving that what you guys and what I'm doing is really working. So thank you all so much. We'll leave this one there then, guys. Until next time, enjoy.